Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're breaking down the latest news and charts for Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon, and making sense of it all for you so you can make more informed trading decisions. Recent news headlines suggest that Amazon stock has been on an upward trend in the past few weeks, driven by a strong Q3 earnings report and sales that exceeded expectations. Amazon stock jumped following the earnings beat and is just below a return to record levels. However, there are some potential headwinds on the horizon, with concerns about regulatory scrutiny and a potential antitrust lawsuit. Despite these potential concerns, many analysts remain optimistic about Amazon's future due to its diversified business model, strong brand recognition, and continued growth of its cloud computing platform, AWS. Amazon is also heavily involved in artificial intelligence, AI, which is seen as a key growth driver for the company in the years to come. These factors could fuel further growth in the coming years, but we'll need to keep a close eye on the market environment and see how these events play out. Let's take a look at the daily chart and see what the price action is telling us. If we look at the overall trend on the daily chart, we can see that Amazon has been in a strong uptrend in recent months, with a clear bullish bias. However, we can see a bit of a pullback in price over the last few weeks, suggesting that there might be some profit-taking in play or hesitation from traders. It's important to note that this pullback is not necessarily a bearish signal and could be just a healthy correction before the stock continues its uptrend. One thing to keep in mind is that Amazon's stock price is approaching its all-time high, which is a significant resistance level that could slow down the upward momentum. Zooming in on the chart's last 3 months, we can see a very clear upward trend, with the price bouncing off of support levels and moving higher. This suggests that there's still strong buying pressure behind the stock. The price has been consolidating above the 100-day moving average, which is a sign of strong support. However, as mentioned earlier, the price is approaching its all-time high, which will be a major test for the bulls. If the stock can break through this resistance level, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend, potentially leading to new highs. But if the price fails to break through, we might see a short-term reversal or even a more significant pullback. Now, let's take a look at the hourly chart to get a closer look at the more recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can see a more volatile price action with a lot of ups and downs. The price has been consolidating around the 20-hour moving average, which is a sign of a balance between buying and selling pressure. Looking at the last few days on the hourly chart, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, which is a bullish sign. The price has been testing the resistance level around 199, which is where we saw a bit of a pullback earlier in the week. If the price can break through this level, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend, and we might see a further push higher. However, if the price fails to break through, it could be a sign that the bulls are losing momentum and we might see a pullback towards the support level around 195. Finally, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart for a look at the very short-term price action. The 15-minute chart is more volatile and less reliable for making long-term predictions, but it can help you identify some short-term opportunities or potential reversals. For example, we can see a recent pullback in price on the 15-minute chart, which could be a sign that the bulls are losing momentum in the short term. This could present a good opportunity for traders to short the stock or take some profits off the table if they're already long. However, if the price bounces back from this pullback and breaks through the resistance level around 199, it could signal a short-term rally. Overall, we can see a strong bullish bias in the price action of Amazon. The stock is in an uptrend on the daily chart, has been consolidating above the 100-day moving average, and has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows on the hourly chart. However, the price is approaching its all-time high, which is a major resistance level. This could lead to a short-term reversal, but if the stock can break through, we could see a continuation of the uptrend. In the short term, keep a close eye on the 199 resistance level. A breakthrough could lead to a further rally, while a failure to break through could lead to a pullback. The support level around 195 is also important to watch. A break below this level could signal a more significant pullback. Remember that this is just a technical analysis and it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and happy trading.